this short tutorial will show you how you can do a very simple, quick and easy library search on a topic. So we're at our website, simmons.edu/library, and I'm going to use this library search bar. And I'm just going to start here, and then we're going to go into advanced search. So let's say that I'm looking for just resources on racism, and I don't really know exactly what about racism I'm looking for, but if I type in racism and click on search, I'm going to be getting results from about 60 different databases. What I'm getting here is sort of a very general racism search result set. And now I want to look at these and say, like, okay, you know, what about racism do I want to look at? Okay, well, maybe I want to look at racism in the United States. So I'm going to go to advanced search. And the first thing that I'm going to do is type in "or" after racism, because I want to see what other terms mean the same thing as racism so that I'm getting a full suite of resources that come out of this search. So I really like this first one, racism or discrimination or prejudice or racial bias. And let's say I really want to look at United States, and I'll type in "or" as well. And we can get United States of America or America or other versions of that. Now, if I do that search, I just added a couple more words. We should see results that are really very tuned in to what I'm looking for. Okay, yeah, I really want to look at, racial politics and systemic racism. And we're seeing, some ebooks here. We can also look specifically at academic journals. And if I'm not exactly seeing what I'm looking for, since I have so many results, over 1 million, almost 2 million, I'm going to click select a field title and click on search. And what that's going to do is just search for those words in the title, not in all of the other data, like, for example, the abstract, etc. So I'm getting hits that have all of those words in the title. And this may be more relevant to my search.